What's up, everybody? Power Washing Pro GA here. Another video on the Flow Pro system. Stay tuned. We're going to cover why I like it, why did I choose it over everything else, and just my overall take on the Flow Pro soap bypass system. Stay tuned. Like I said, we're going to cover the Flow Pro Solutions soap bypass system today in the video. As you can see, it's pretty simple. You know, I just got it zip tied there until I figure out what I want to permanently do with it. But anyway, yep, these are the transmitters that come with it, or the DN10. They actually have DN10 valves just like these inside of here. They basically work the same. You know, you turn that off, your soap is bypassed with straight water. You turn it back on, it flows soap to your hose. Again, yeah, this thing is pretty cool. You literally can shut your soap flow off up to 2,000 feet. I've literally used this thing for right at about 8 months or so. The first one is about 8 months old. The second one is probably 5 months old because I needed them for 2 power washes there, as you can see. But anyway, haven't had any major issues with this thing at all. It's pretty reliable. I have yet to have to pull the antenna all the way out. Regardless of what I've cleaned this season. So yeah, it's pretty good buy. Good job, Flow Pro. That's my take on it. Hold on, wait a minute. You can see there's a little sight glass here so that you can see when your water's flowing. I'll hit the button again, and as you can see, it changes when you put it in the soap mode, which actually blocks the flow of water and allows it soap to flow through the injector. You know, some people put theirs in the loop. I mean, put it on the straight. Mine has just been on the loop since I connected this thing. You know, I'm sure it makes sense to put it straight so that you get constant soap flow. I just have yet to change it. At any rate, hope this helps everybody out, man. It is what it is. Wash on, pros.